Hey, how you doing? This is Ben with RODBECK Ironworks showing you our 2x72 grinder. We got our premium package here for just shy of $3,000 here. That comes with D-plate, adjustable work rest, small wheel attachment, slack attachment, and also a contact wheel. Also comes with the VFD and 2 horsepower motor. So that's our Blade Show special for that. We're at booth 517. Come and see us. Yeah, let's change out a belt. So you can change out a belt in about 30 seconds from pretty much any attachment. Let me get this wheel where it's out of my way here. All right. So you can go from here, you can put, it's all quick change handles, so it's really easy to go and stick a different attachment on here. So, and then you can get the work rest up to where you need it. You can angle this work rest as well too. Tilt it this way. You can raise it, lower it. It'll do all sorts of things here, so. You can raise it up to here if you need to. All kinds of stuff with this adjustable work rest. So that was the slack attachment. This is the small wheel. It comes with a 1 inch and also a 3/4 inch roller here, and they all just swap out like so.
I got one, but the nice thing is if we can get that, basically have to do the grounding screw somewhere in the box. Oh, okay. So you're saying just a wire from here to the last, whatever.
And then with this adjustable, you can raise and lower that. So get that right where you need it. So you can do some grinds and stuff like that with that. All kinds of stuff there. So, and then it's going to track right as well too. So it's a nice versatile machine. We do have a lot of other attachments too. We have a disc sander, we have a buffing attachment, and also an integral attachment as well too. So that way you can get in there and grind really well on fullers. I've done a lot of fullers with this, and it's done really, really well. So very cool. Oh, sorry. Yeah, absolutely. So you put some sandpaper on here. I like to use like feathering adhesive and put some sandpaper on here. Then you can make sure that whatever you're working on, wood, steel, it doesn't matter, that it's really truly flat with that buffing attachment. So, and it's belt fed just like this one is. This is the buffing attachment right here. So, and then it'll feed that. And it's a lot of different tools in one. So. Yeah. Thank you very much.